Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're excited to have you here. Stay tuned for great content.
Top 5 Best High-Pressure Washer Gun Reviews 2026. Number 5. Xiaomi Mijia Wireless Car Washing Machine 2 is a portable high-pressure cleaning device designed for convenient car and outdoor cleaning. It delivers a strong 160L/H water flow for efficient flushing and dirt removal. The wireless rechargeable design allows easy use without power cords, making it ideal for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, patios, and garden cleaning. Compact and lightweight, it offers powerful performance, easy portability, and flexible operation for everyday cleaning tasks. Number 4. Transparent Blue-Black High-Pressure Water Gun is a durable and rust-proof cleaning accessory designed for pressure washer systems. It features a transparent body with a stylish blue-black design and supports a 1/4-inch self-locking connector for secure attachment. The 3/8-inch rotating tail-end connection improves flexibility and ease of use during cleaning. Compatible with Karcher and Lavor pressure washers, it delivers strong water pressure for efficient car washing, outdoor cleaning. Number 3. High-Pressure Washer Gun Foam Cannon Kit is a complete cleaning solution designed for efficient car washing and outdoor cleaning. It features a durable spray gun, foam cannon, a 1/4-inch quick connect system, and M22-14 adapter for compatibility with Karcher, Nilfisk, and Bosch pressure washers. The foam cannon produces thick cleaning foam for better dirt removal, while the high-pressure spray ensures powerful performance. Ideal for cleaning cars, driveways, patios, and other outdoor. Number 2. Pressure Washer Water Gun Kit is a practical cleaning accessory set designed for car washing and outdoor cleaning tasks. It includes a water spray gun, hose connectors, quick connect nozzles, and compatible fittings for Karcher, Nilfisk, Parkside, and Bosch pressure washers. The kit provides strong water pressure for efficient dirt removal and supports multiple spray patterns for different cleaning needs. Ideal for cars, patios, bikes, and household surfaces, it offers convenient. Number 1. High-Pressure Cleaning Supplies Kit is a versatile car wash and cleaning set designed for efficient outdoor and household cleaning tasks. It includes a 1L foam cannon for thick foam spraying, 5 metal nozzles for different spray patterns, and an M22-14 car wash gun with a 1/4-inch quick connect system. Suitable for pressure washers, it is ideal for cleaning cars, motorcycles, driveways, patios, and more, delivering strong and convenient cleaning performance.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media, for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.